What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back with today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the 4-hour chart that Cardano just broke out of this chart as we speak right now. We're also going to take a look at the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the Cardano Bitcoin pair to see if we have any clues of what is going to happen next and give you guys where I think Cardano is going in the short term. All right, so let's jump right onto the chart here and not waste any time. As you guys can see right now on the 4-hour chart, Cardano is breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. Now, what's our measure move target out of the symmetrical triangle? Let's take a look from top to bottom here. If we take this and we extrapolate this on our breakout point, that gives us a measure move target of all the way up here towards $1.67. And you guys are going to see exactly why this is so important next. But we were consolidating this in a couple days. I told you guys on stream that this was going to end up breaking out to the upside, and it did exactly that. 167 is our next short-term target. But let's take a look at why I think an even bigger target will be coming. Well, let's take a look. So if we were to go up to 167, that would actually inherently break us out of our daily chart ascending triangle. You can see Cardano just keeps making higher lows here, kind of bouncing off its 20-day moving average, going slightly under it, but generally holding it right now. You can see right now, we actually just got a big bounce off that 20-day moving average and are continuing up. Now, if we take our trend line of the triangle we were just looking at, it would be something like this. And you can see inherently that is going to probably push us back up to the top of this ascending triangle on the daily time frame, okay? So what I do expect this to do is if we hit that 160 target on that daily 4-hour time frame, we should inherently break out of this ascending triangle pattern as well. You can see our volume just continues to decline. So I do think a breakout is coming extremely soon because the volume can't get much lower here for Cardano as it's been going sideways since February 16th. Now let's take a look at our price target for Cardano on this ascending triangle if we were to break out to the upside from this thing, right? That would give us a measure move target of approximately about $2. So we could be seeing a $2 Cardano in the relative medium term, right? I'm not going to say it's going to happen today. I'm not going to say it's going to happen tomorrow, but relatively in the medium term, we could be seeing a $2 Cardano based on this ascending triangle pattern. Like I said, we break out of the smaller time frame pattern, that inherently would break us out of this ascending triangle pattern. But as always, if we do pump here to the top side, watch for a rejection at approximately about $1, and it's right about like $1.50. Watch for a rejection around $1.50, as that could inherently push us up here and us get rejected and come back down to the bottom of the triangle. So always be wary of that it's not 100% guaranteed we go up to our measure move targets, but I think it is all but guaranteed that we at least go up and back test the top of this resistance at the top of this ascending triangle, right about 150, okay? But I do think that we break out here and we continue back to the upside as we see Bitcoin and Ethereum taking big moves as well. Now let's take a look at our weekly chart. What do we have left on our long-term charts? You can see right now we're consolidating right under our local high, our all-time high wick, right? Back from January 2018. Makes perfect sense. So if we extrapolate that over, that's our 1 Fibonacci. We have our ascending triangle right under that. With our wicks, we keep wicking above it. We just can't seem to break that all-time high. Now, if we break that all-time high, which inherently would break us out of our ascending triangle pattern we're in, our 1.618 Fibonacci, which could be our next target on the weekly time frame, is at about $2.12. So another big correlation of why around that $2 mark could be a huge price target for Cardano, okay? Somewhere between $2.12 would make perfect for our next moves. Now, if we want to look further into the future, I can give you guys a couple price targets based on that. Your 2.618 Fibonacci at 336. You got your 3.618 Fibonacci at 465. And you got your 4236 Fibonacci at approximately 547. These could be some of your longer term take profit places where a lot of bots, a lot of traders, a lot of algorithms have probably sell orders placed at these levels for longer terms. So inherently, it probably would be a good idea for you to also take profits at these general levels as well if you've been holding Cardano for a good amount of time. All right, so that's really the weekly chart on Cardano. The last thing I really want to touch on is the Cardano Bitcoin pair. You guys know this Cardano Bitcoin pair is a huge indicator on whether you should hold Cardano or whether you should hold Bitcoin in the short term. You can see this is also actually breaking to the upside as well out of this symmetrical triangle, okay? So we're seeing a bunch of these symmetrical triangles actually break out to the upside, which is super cool. Now, where would this go? Well, if this was to go back up to its resistance up by that green line, that would be about a 50% gain against Bitcoin, which would put Cardano's market cap, $60 billion market cap. Sorry if it was a 50% move. But that's the Cardano Bitcoin pair. Look for a move up back to our local highs back here from February 27th. Obviously, this is a big move here. This is a big move. This could push us up outside of our ascending triangle, like I said. So super exciting stuff coming for Cardano, all right? So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. I'm going to start some of these shorter term updates so you guys get a little faster updates from me, and I can do maybe 2 videos per day if I do these shorter videos. So make sure you guys subscribe if you guys enjoy the video. I'll be doing a bunch of different videos a day and live streaming every day at 7 to 9. So make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.